Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we are going to be taking a look at how to deactivate a messenger account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So this step only requires a couple of steps. It's easy enough to do. Facebook actually has made an update on how to do this, so this is the updated version on how to deactivate Facebook and Messenger itself. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course, the first thing you want to do is enter into the app and select the top left for the hamburger menu. It'll drag you into the profile, and on the top right you've got a settings bar there. It's color blue. It's like a blue gearbox, so just select that. Scroll all the way down until you see Meta Account Center. Select that, and then below is personal details. You want to go ahead and click on that. Account ownership and control, select that. And then deactivation or deletion. So you have two options there. So just select the deactivation or deletion. You'll get your accounts there. So select the account you want to delete or deactivate. So once you've picked the account, select that, and now you have the option of to deactivating or deleting account, but we only want to deactivate this, so hit continue. So once you have hit continue, you'll be brought of course to the next page where you enter in your password, and once you've selected your password, that's the account pretty much deactivated or deleted. But there you go guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. As you can see, it's a very easy enough process to do. Of course, you have your reasons to deactivate or delete the social media platform. Hopefully guys, you did find this helpful. If you guys have any questions at all, just leave them down in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.